If this year has taught us anything, it's that any opportunity for self-care should be taken with both hands. And there's not many foods more comforting than a nice bowl of laksa. Today we came to Katong to try the original Katong Laksa, praised locally for its shortcut noodles, so that you can eat the entire bowl with just a spoon.
It's just a warming, homey, comforting taste. You can taste the chili in there, but it's not too spicy, and then the coconut milk as well. It has a little bit of a grainy texture, makes it feel a little bit more meaty. The fact that they've chopped it up for me is making my life so much easier. So you can literally pick it up with your spoon, no need for chopsticks, no need to experience the splashback of the soup. It's so yummy. It's really, really flavorful.
We also got some otar to share. They grind fish meats with spices and then grill it on an open flame wrapped in a banana leaf. We have a huge list of experiences we're planning in the next few weeks and months, but it was the Fragment Room that jumped out for a number of reasons. The idea of a room specifically designed for people to break things seemed intriguing. And I'm generally a happy and calm person, but we've all been tested recently, and perhaps there are some frustrations deep within that are in need of some attention.
I mean, we've all been stuck inside for a long time. We had like 3 months in circuit breaker where we were basically in lockdown. Definitely been like some frustrations of just not being able to get out into the world, and now ready to throw some stuff. Maybe like some crazy side of me is gonna come out. Who knows? These are actually really cute. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna smash it.
A famous scholar once said, "You can't buy happiness, but you can buy ice cream," and that's pretty much the same thing. In Katong, there's a cute little scoop shop called Birds of Paradise that has queues up until the night. The smell of rosemary-infused waffle cones blasts onto the street. We went for 2 double scoop cones. Lychee raspberry and a scoop of hojicha sea salt. Then in the second, pandan and dark chocolate sorbet.
Oh my god, it's so good. Kind of reminds me of like old school raspberry ripple, but then you get the sort of the lychee taste, which is really delicate and tropical, and it just tastes really, really refreshing. Just kind of tastes like matcha, to be honest. Really, really creamy. Definitely get the taste of roasted tea. I'm gonna go ahead and try the pandan. It's white, which is not what I was expecting. I was expecting it to be green, but I'm gonna give it a go. It's already a bit melted. Oh, it's lovely.
I think this is the place.
I think sometimes with pandan flavored things, if it's artificially flavored, it is that really, really bright green color, and it's very, very sweet. But this, I think this must be infused with like fresh pandan because it tastes legit. I'm gonna try and get some of this dark chocolate. Oh my god, that is delicious. And also my waffle is falling apart. I've never had a dark chocolate sorbet before, but I'd really recommend it. It's got like a really nice chocolatey flavour No.
Well, great description by me. You can taste that it's been made of good quality chocolate. These go really well together. So we've got pandan and dark chocolate sorbet. The pandan's like a nice break from the chocolate, so I would recommend this mix. When you put a little intent behind it, it helps. Corona! Didn't even that. I'm so rubbish at this.
It's alright, just pick it up and throw it.
Goddamn mug!